Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, this is your Science Fact File 1 workbook. Now we will complete the exercise of chapter 1, which is Science Skills, on Science Fact File 1 workbook on page number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, open up your workbook on page number 2. The question number 1 is, state whether the following statement are true or false. Students, first of all, we are find out the statement which is true or false. Then we write the F for false and T for true. So let's start. A tape measure is more accurate than a ruler. No, it's false, because in most cases ruler is better than the other. A tape measure is not better for every time. So we write the F for false. The second one is, scientific information is called data. Obviously, it is true, because we know that any scientific information called data. It's true. And we write the T for true. The third one is, you can predict nothing from a line graph. No. Students, here you can see a graphs which is line graph. You can also see these curves. Students, we can get the information from these curves. So this is false statement, because we predict any information from the line graph. This statement is false and we write the F for false. The fourth one is, a hypothesis is what you expect to happen in a scientific investigation. Yes, this is correct. Hypothesis is expected or supposed. So we write the T for true. The fifth one is, hypotheses are always correct. No, it's wrong, because it is not necessary that hypotheses are always correct. So this statement is false and we write the F for false. The question number 2 is, choose the correct option. The first one is, which of these instruments would you use to measure the mass of an object? Student, we know that we take balance to measure the mass of an object. So encircle the option A, which is correct. On the Celsius scale, we know that the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So the option C is correct. The standard units used for measurement are called SI units. SI units means System International Units. They are used in worldwide and everywhere in the world. The fourth one is, how would you most accurately time one swing of pendulum? पेंडुलम के एक स्विंग को आप कैसे नापेंगे या कैसे पता चलेगा कि एक स्विंग को कितना टाइम लगता है? The option C is correct, because you can calculate it by first of all you measure the time of 10 swings, because you cannot measure the direct one swing. So we divide the time of swings which we measured divided by 10. We get the time for one swing of a pendulum. So the option C is correct. Time 10 swings and divided by 10. So encircle the option C. The fifth one is, which of these variables cannot be controlled easily? वो कौन से variables हैं जिनको हम easily control नहीं कर सकते? We control the volume, temperature easily, and we cannot control the date, because these variables are passing on our will. So the option A is correct, which is date. Question number 3 is, the diagram shows 10 pieces of laboratory equipment jumbled up. Students, you have some measuring instrument and laboratory equipment. Now you have looked very carefully all the instruments that are mixed or jumbled up together. Now you have find out and write down the name of these instrument in the lining or space provided below. Start writing. First of all, students, we give the numbering of the instruments. The first one is pipette. This is laboratory instrument used to measure the small volume of any liquid, so write it. The second one is balance. It is an instrument which is used to measure the mass of anything, so write it. The third one is round bottom flask having spherical bottoms. Laboratory instrument that is used to heat something. The fourth one is filter funnel used for separating solid from liquid through the laboratory process of filtering. The fifth one is test tube. It is also known as sample tube, used to hold, mix and heat the chemical experiment. The sixth one is conical flask, used for holding liquids and mixing them thoroughly. So write it. The seventh one is thermometer. Students, you are familiar by this instrument that is used to measure the temperature of any liquid in laboratory. So write the name of the thermometer. The eighth one is ruler. Students, you are also familiar by this instrument that are used to measure the length and draw straight line. So write the name of the ruler. The ninth one is beaker. It is used for holding liquid. It is a multiple purpose, a piece of equipment used for containing chemical reaction, measuring liquid, heating them over a Bunsen burner flame, etc. So write the name of the beaker. The last one is china dish. It is also known as evaporating basin. Students, this is used for boiling, evaporating solution and crystallization of salts in laboratory. So write the name of the china dish. The question number 4 is fill the gaps in the table using these words or symbols. Words are given in front of you on workbook on page number 3. Now some measurements are given here in which blocks are missing. For example, what is this? Which units is meters? Now by this clue, we will find the measurements. We measure the length in meter, so the measurement is length and the symbol of the meter is small m. Here the unit is missing while measurement is given. Students, we can measure the mass in kilogram or grams. So the unit symbol is kilogram, kg. In third column, the measurement and units are missing and the symbol is given, which is meter cube. Students, we measure the volume in meter cube and so the measurement is volume and unit is meter cube. The fourth one is time and the unit symbol is s, small s. Students, we know that we measure the time in seconds, so the units of time is second. In fifth row, the units and unit symbol is also given and measurement is missing. Students, we know very well we measure the temperature in degrees Celsius, so the measurement is temperature. Students, today we have completed the question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and 4 of the exercise of chapter 1 on workbook. Students, stay safe at your home and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.